Hello to everyone. I am Giampiero Rosati, the owner of Locanda Rosati, an agriturismo situated in Umbria, in Orvieto. And I am also partner with Christine Barnaby in Private Villas of Italy. This evening we are here to prepare a simple dish of pasta of Italian tradition. This dish is called pasta aglio, olio e peperoncino. The ingredients are spaghetti, oil, garlic and red pepper. It's very simple to prepare. You cook spaghetti, in another skillet you prepare oil with garlic and red pepper. You fry it for 3-4 minutes, and when the pasta is ready, you put the pasta in this sauce. You cut some parsley on the pasta and the dish is ready. This is the result. Very good, very healthy, very simple. Because to be good, many times we have to be simple. Bye bye. Buon appetito.